Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to activate the followers feature on Facebook. You can let people follow your Facebook profile without adding them as friends, perfect for creators, influencers, or anyone who wants to grow their audience. First thing first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device, and you can do it on website, so I'm doing it on the iPhone. Now tap the menu bottom right on iPhone or top right on Android. Tap Settings and Privacy, then go to Settings. Under Audience and Visibility, tap Followers and Public Content. You can change now who can follow me to Public. Then adjust Public Post Comments, set to Public, Friends or Friends of Friends. Public Post Notifications, choose who can engage, and Public Profile Info, decide who can comment on your profile info. And that's it. Your Facebook account now allows you to get followers. They'll see you in public updates in their feed, and you'll be able to grow your reach without managing friend requests. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.